Hey, how's it going? John Dorsey here, workwithjohnd.net. In this video, I want to talk about the MLSP login process, where to go to login, and where to go if you're already a member and forgot your login details. So if you want to log into the site, you go to MLSPro.com, and you'll see right here, it says login. Click on it, and it'll take you to this page here. You'll put in your username, and right here you'll put your password and then click sign in. Now if you forgot your login details, just click on forgot my password and just enter the email or username you used to sign up for your MLSP Pro account, and they'll email you details on how to recover your password or create a new password to get yourself reset up. If you're not already a member, you see on the right hand side it says if you're not a member, sign up today and receive these things, and just click to get started on the right hand side. And I'll put a link to this page in the description box below this video. But yeah, that's for this video, showing you the MLSP login process or MLSP Pro login process. And if you got some value out of this video and you guys found this helpful, click like and share this video with someone else that might find it helpful, or someone else that might be having a problem logging in. By the way, if you are still not able to figure out your login stuff, you can always click support. That's right here, support, and send them a right here. It'll click on account, and right here you'll be able to get more information on how to log in. And if you can't find anything that will help you out, then just send them a support ticket, support email, and they'll direct you on which steps to take next. So like I said, if you got some value out of this video, like it, share it, and subscribe if you want to get more value like this. And I'll put a link to this page, this login page, in the description box, and also will be a link to my blog. But that's it for this video. I'll talk to you again soon.